mean, which government doesn't want to protect its own citizens? So this was a difficult point. And this, along with this, suddenly comes Hindu terror and a lot of incidents clearly showing in every possible way that it is jihadi violence suddenly becomes billed as Hindu terror. So this is where the things started raising questions. And I started studying about it. And in the course of some time, it became clear when the cases were reaching nowhere, there was a lot of, I mean, if you look at the string of accusations, they are really, really serious. But none of it was sort of getting proven in any court, anywhere. And then strange things started happening. People started dying. In strange, healthy, fit people started dying. And then nothing got to be proved, and more names were included. And the most funny part was, every day, people of a certain ideological thought, their names were flashed in the newspapers that, oh, X will also be called for questioning, Y will also be called for questioning. First of all, none of them were called for questioning. Secondly, a couple of them who were called, kuch bhi nahi hua unki questioning mein. And they were let off because there was nothing to do. Which means, more than Hindu terror, a talk of Hindu terror was being created to keep the pot boiling. Push a newspaper headline every day and let the people chew on it. You know, this is what was being done. Now, who took advantage of this? All over the world, nobody talked of Colonel Purohit or Sadhvi Pragya or Swami Asimanand or a dozen other accused. People started talking of the Hindu as a terrorist. So Hindus are this bunch of extremist people who are out to kill Muslims in their country, and some of them are so powerful and they have the support of a certain ideological thought, and they can engineer a blast wherever they want. So suddenly, the Sanatani becomes a terror-minded, loony person, man or woman. Now, what is the benefit of getting this done? Suddenly, you have created a false equivalence with Islam, jihadi terror. Suddenly, both are at par.